Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and welcome back to the 20 Years of Anime project, where we count down to the year 2020 using costumes. Today we're going back to 2007 and making the school uniform for Amu from Shugochara. For Amu's school uniform, this particular costume was an instance where it was cheaper to buy rather than make. So for the white dress shirt, I already had this in my closet. I've used it for many costumes in the past. The black blazer I got at Goodwill for $2 and just rolled up the sleeves so that the white cuffs are showing. And I just got a generic red tie from Spirit Halloween during their clearance days, so that was a couple dollars as well. So in all, it was definitely cheaper for me to buy these particular components than it would have been to buy the fabric to make them. To make Amu's skirt, we're going to start by cutting a rectangle out of some plaid fabric, and this is going to be the waistband of the skirt. Then we're going to fold it in half and zigzag all along the raw edges to help keep them from fraying and to keep the two sides together. Then we're going to cut a bigger rectangle out of the plaid fabric and pleat it until it is the length of the waistband, leaving a little bit extra on the ends to make room for the zipper. After your fabric has been pleated, iron the pleats into place, and we're going to zigzag along the short edge, along the top, and back down the other short edge to keep them from fraying. We're not worried about zigzagging the bottom edge at this time because it will be finished using a rolled hem later on. Putting right sides together, sew the waistband to the skirt along the edge. Press the waistband upwards and top stitch it into place. Sew the skirt together along the center back seam and insert a zipper. To finish the skirt, we're going to sew a rolled hem along the bottom edge. To create Amu's armband, we're going to cut a rectangle out of red fabric. Then we're going to fold it in half and sew it together along the long side to create a tube. Turn the tube right side out and press it flat. Then we're going to zigzag along the raw edges to hold the two sides together and help keep them from fraying. And we're going to fold the tube in half, putting right sides together, and sew it together along the side. Turn the loop right side out, and now we have our finished armband. Slide the armband onto the sleeve and secure it in place with a safety pin. And with that, Amu's school uniform is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.